chances here, and he won't care about team communication at the moment, that's for sure. Rossi's there to pick up the pieces should it go wrong, but his eyes are only on this red Ducati that we're on board with now. Will it be Duffy or will it be Marquez? Here we go then. Marquez just really pushing that front end, desperate to get in touch.
He can't do anything more. The kitchen sink and everything else has gone here for Marc Marquez. He cannot do anything more. He's got to make sure he gets it.
Still holds the advantage from the Ducati. Left through 5, left through 6, they're going up to 7, and over the right to 8. As the big Sosa got it up to Marquez, he's now on a short turn, number 9, Marquez, strolling out, look up the inside, he shuts the door in turn number 9, and Brandon shows up the inside, but Marquez is where he needs to be. He's next to Marquez, he's under the Joseph, it is! Andrea Vizio winning a magnificent place here in Austria. The Marquez, what he has done it again. The inside of Marquez is where he needs to be.
Just on a half to go. Marquez out of the steep bar. Marquez, big mistake as he came through turn number 8. He's not over yet. Andrea Vizio can close right up as they come through turn number 9.
Lucky man, Marc Marquez, when he held on to it as he often does, and Dovizioso was not able to take the advantage. Up towards the hairpin they come. Time is running out for the Ducati and Dovizioso. Inside the Marquez. Short final, couple of corners coming up. Dovizioso pulls out the slipstream. He's attacking up the inside of Marquez. Can he make it through? Dovizioso leads in Japan. He's got through. He's through the tunnel. They're coming up towards the beach reserve. Turn 12 runway Dovizioso. He bugged Marquez on the last lap in. Austria. Marquez comes through the final corner. Is he going to run wide? Is history repeating itself like in Austria? Dovizioso has done it here in Japan. His 5th victory of the season. The The second classic last lap showdown of the year between Dovizioso and Marquez, and again it's Andrea Dovizioso that reigns supreme. Massive moment in the 2017 MotoGP World Championship. We can just about catch our breath. Kunjungi on the podium in 3rd place. Andrea Jorge Lorenzo 6, Johan Joseph, and again he gets the better of Marc Marquez in the final lap showdown. 3 successive second place finishes. Can he go one better? He's under serious pressure from the world champion.
Where there aren't any, it's Marc Marquez, the world champion. Rossi's desperate for these two to engage. The inside of Marquez is where he needs to be.
He's under the brilliant edge, didn't he? So late on the brakes.
Running out of chances here, and he won't care about team communication at the moment, that's for sure. Rossi's there to pick up the pieces should it go wrong, but his eyes are only on this red Ducati that we're on board with now. Will it be Duffy or will it be Marquez? Here we go then. Marquez just really pushing that front end, desperate to get in touch.
He can't do anything more. The kitchen sink and everything else has gone here for Marc Marquez. He cannot do anything more. He's got to make sure he gets in front of Andrea Vizio. Going into that final couple of corners, can he strike at turn 15? Not close enough through these right-handers. He tries to close them under Vizio. He's going to go for it. You know Marc Marquez is going to attack.
He's going to find a way somewhere. If it's 15 or if it's 16, it'll be one of those two corners that Marc Marquez will pounce, and it's not turn 15.
It's not 15. He's close enough. Is he going to strike? Will it be a block pass to break up the Vizioso's when he moves to the inside? Marc Marquez. Here he comes in on the inside. It's the final corner. Qatar Grand Prix. The Vizioso's getting on the comeback. It's all about the horsepower shootout now.
It's a repeat of Japan. So into the penny race on 2018, but what a race it was. Marc Marquez finishes in second. He had to have a go, and he did. Rossi comes home in 3rd. A carbon carbon copy of what we've seen before.
Three epic last quarter showdowns between Marc Marquez and Andrea Dovizioso in the last. Is that Dovizioso as well? Dovizioso on every occasion he has come out on top. Marc Marquez gave his all. There was nothing left in the tank from the reigning world champion as he fought to try and win that opening Grand Prix of the year. He misses out by just 200ths of a second. Finally, Andrea Dovizioso tastes victory here in Qatar in a MotoGP Grand Prix. Brilliant second place to Marquez. Cracking ride by Valentino Rossi in third. The top three covered by less than 8/10 of a second.
Onto the straight we go. Dovizioso then. He knows what Marquez has got over on that fourth and sector. Now they're breaking defensive line.
How good did Dovizioso get that? The caddy hook truck coming out the first corner. He was able to open up a good half a dozen wide legs to Marc Marquez. But Marquez, he's lethal. He's a thing on the brakes. He makes a move. Never set the braking zone for turn number 3.
He won't have a go into turn 4. It's too fast, but he's got a great line through turn 4. And now we go into turn 5. Is he going to have a go? Yes, he is. And that's brilliantly done by Marc Marquez. But he goes wide. Dovizioso comes back through. He's got the inside line again. But he closes the door on it. The two Yamahas all of a sudden close up on the pair of them.
Dovizioso had his nose got a truly wide there by Marc Marquez. That was super aggressive from Marc Marquez. Vinales and Rossi, they're fighting it out for the last place in the podium. Are they still fighting it out for a victory? Dovizioso find anything. They sweep now through turn number 9. Just 3 corners left through turn number 10. Dovizioso is going to go back the last corner. He's come out with a Marc Marquez 70 times. Here comes Andrea Dovizioso. Dolby versus Marquez going into turn 12. Dolby. Marquez trying to get it tight.
What's going to happen? Oh, it is! And he does to Dovizioso what Dovizioso did to him in Austria last year.
Sweet, sweet revenge then for Marc.